Today on Dinner with Dad, we talk about Sola seasonings. I guarantee you it's going to be fun. So a little bit about Sola seasoning is coming from Susan Pincus, a 30-year native of Louisiana. She's made this seasoning for her family and friends, and now she is selling it worldwide. I think worldwide. It's special because it has sea salt. I'll explain that later. You got the Cajun one and the Cajun herb. Let's go in and taste these babies. Okay, so we have the Sola Cajun seasoning. She's calling this an all-purpose seasoning. And this one too is an all-purpose seasoning, but this is Cajun herb, which is reduced sodium. So, best way I thought we could taste these is take some chicken tenders or nuggets, whatever they call them, from Wingstop. Try Wingstop and Murphy's Pro. So this is the Cajun one, plain. Looks a lot like seasoned salt, but it's probably not. And then this is the herb. You can totally see a difference in color. This one has more, what does it have different than the other one? Sea salt, garlic, onion, I guess. Big thing with these though, she told me, was that they have sea salt. And it's probably the only, I don't know, I may be wrong, but I'll have her check it out. She could write in the comments. The only Cajun seasoning with sea salt. All the rest are made with salt. So it's better for you, because sea salt is better for you. All right, so let's try it. So I'll take this one here. Dab it in there. Dab! You see it's on there? It's really good. It tastes like, I mean, it's very Cajun tasting, but it tastes like seasoned salt with more spice to it. That's really, really good. That's a winner. And then the Cajun herb. We'll try that one next. You can totally taste the difference in this one too. Really good flavor. I can see putting these on anything like eggs and pastas. I'm going to make with this a Cajun sausage chicken rice dish. So we're gonna see how that comes out. So once we get that one going, I'll put that up on Instagram too, and we will show you this stuff. Okay, so like I said, go to the website, find these, like it on Instagram. I think on Instagram, I know she has a post for the ordering stuff. Order these, you will like these, trust me. Come back next time for another product review on Dinner with Dad.